Hello people, this is Ho Hyung from South Korea. I've been living in Australia for about a year. While I'm at it, I heard that TimTam is one of the most popular chocolate biscuit in Australia. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy all kinds of TimTam I bought yesterday from Woolworths, and I'm gonna express how those tastes are. But I'm not sure those are the all they have, but for now, here it is. Bam! Okay, seems like I have 6 different kinds of TimTam. So let's see what I have. I have original and dark one and double coated double, and white people might like it, and chewy caramel, it's chewy, and choc mint. I fucking hate mint. Why would I bought it? Okay, so let's feast. You know, all kinds of chocolate must be with hot coffee. Okay, I took off the plastic bags and I have the name tag on it, each one of those, so that I'm not confusing like which one is dark, which one is original, something like that. Except this one, it's too obvious, right? So I'm gonna have only one piece from each pack because I wanna keep my body fit. Yeah! So first one is dark. Second one is double coat. Let's do this. Third one, original. Fourth one, chewy caramel. Let's see if it's really chewy. Fifth one, white.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita, dame tu cosita, ay.
Sixth one is mint, which is I hate it. Should I eat this? Should I?